Hey everyone, Sue Daley here. I just wanted to share a new program we're going to be running in the new year. It is using one of my books, which is called Raspberry Parlour, and inside this book has a quilt called Raspberry Tea. The sew along is going to be scrappy, so instead of having all the red, white, cream and taups in there, we're going to just do a scrappy quilt. So it's going to be a fun sew along. So I've chosen a whole bunch of fabrics here, just scrappy fabrics, and then I've chosen some basics to tie it all together, like your background and your cornerstones and your sashings. So if you go and see your Sue Daley stockist, your local Sue Daley stockist, they will be running this program for you. And there's a paper and template pack involved, so they'll be carrying those for you. It's going to be so much fun. We'll have videos and we'll have a sew along on the blog. This will also be a fun quilt to just pull from your stash. So if you have a giant stash, like most people I know, you can also sew it from that. And you know, maybe you only have to purchase your basics to go with it, or you might have a truckload. Whatever it is, whatever you want it to be, it will be. I started making some of the blocks, so some of the applique blocks. So here's just a few. You can see how we put them together, and I'll be doing a tutorial on these. So these are some of my applique blocks, and they're very cute, but we're going to have a lot of fun next year. We'll probably have some giveaways or something, you know, just along the way. So I hope you join us for some fun. Have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I'll see you soon.